We are very excited to have Mr. Imran, Pre-Sales Consultant, xFusion Digital Technologies. Imran will walk us through the FusionPoD 720. Imran, welcome. Please explain to us what is FusionPoD 720 and how does it make it different from the other technologies.
Okay, thank you Mansoor for having me. Let me introduce the FusionPoD 720 for high performance computing. This pod is purposely built for the green data centers and the green environment. So this rack can have 144 CPUs within this pod, and we can control the PUE up to 1.06.
How many U's is this rack?
This is a 47U rack, and it can have 36 servers in it. Yeah. But if you want to build this one in a traditional data center, then you need at least 10 to 12 racks.
Imran, I can see that this is 4 CPU as it is mentioned, and I've never seen a single 1U server with 4 CPU. So this is something more interesting for me. Allow me to ask you a question. How are you doing the cooling control environment in 1U 4 CPUs?
We are using the compact design, and we are cooling it down with the liquid. The liquid is going to the CPU and memory, and we are controlling the power consumption with this liquid.
So Imran, can you explain to us how is the flow of liquid going and how you are making sure it is leak protected? Can we see it from the diagram, please?
Yes, sure. You can see the liquid is going up to the CPU level, and the CPU is having the thermal plates, so it is cooling down it. So this was about how it is doing the cooling for the CPUs.
So Imran, explain to us what is blind mating, you said exactly.
Yeah, the blind mating, it's a blind mating, like you don't need the cable, like it will go directly to the bus bar at the power level, at the connectivity level, and at the liquid level.
Can we see it from the back of the rack?
Yes, this is the manifold, and the blind mating for the liquid, for the cold liquid and for the hot liquid. And then we have a blind mating for the connectivity, and the blind mating for the power supply. We don't need to use any cables.
So Imran, when I go to the data center, when I open the rack, I see like hundreds of cables and many of the broken cables, many of the live cables. So you mean to say that there is absolutely no requirement of a cable here?
Zero cabling. Zero cabling for the power, zero cable for the interconnectivity and for the liquid.
So this is how the blind mating is working, right?
Yes.
So the server is hitting on these connectors?
Yes, this is for the connectivity. These are the mezzanine cards of the servers, and the servers are doing the mating here. And this is for the liquid. One inlet, another is the outlet. Inlet for the cold and outlet for the hot liquid. And this is for the power bus. Yes.
Imran, what is the liquid called which you are using? The liquid which is, it's not a standard normal water, right?
It's not a normal water. There are different types of liquids which is being used in different data centers, but we prefer ethylene glycol, which is mixed with the water, and this one is itself the cold liquid. Yeah.
Right, and is it safe for the human interaction and everything?
Yes, it's safe. That's why we are using it with the water.
And another interesting thing that you were telling me that it has gone through a very extensive testing. So what is the certification you have for this?
We got the certifications from one of the regulatory authorities in Germany, which is called TÜV Rheinland, and they provide the leakage proof certification. And we got that. We are
what's the certification? Yes.
This one is the certification which we have from the TÜV Rheinland, and we assure that the PU is as low as 1.06.
So it's like 175 different testings have been done, and then you have received the certification,
Yes, 170 plus tests have been done. Then after that we got this kind.
All right. So the key understanding is this is a 47U rack which can host up to 36 nodes, total up to 144 CPUs. Of a different configuration, two CPUs or 4 CPUs. This is 100% liquid cooling solution, and you have the direct liquid to CPUs and memory, and there is blind mating and absolutely no cabling at the back of the rack.
Yes, absolutely right.
So only on the front end side you will have the uplinks, and the powers will be connected from the top.
From the top.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Imran.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.